Hello everyone, this is John Mesa again. How's everyone? I have some proud news to announce. I have published on CreateSpace, a self-publishing system affiliated with Amazon.com, onto, okay, I downloaded it into CreateSpace. Using the templates, I made a cover, and my volume of poetry entitled Mutterings has been published on CreateSpace. It is now available on Amazon.com, and it is now available on Kindle. I had a little trouble downloading it, but it is now available on Kindle, Amazon, and CreateSpace. I am very proud of it. I am very proud of this new technology, which enables working people to get their messages out, as the great historian Howard Zinn mentioned, spoke about working people uh, who do make a difference in their communities and the lives of others. And with that in mind, on November 6th, I urge everybody to get out and vote, preferably for Barack Obama. I do often worry about the Democratic Party, that it also is susceptible to the corruptions of plutocracy, the corruptions of money, influencing our politics, which has always worried me and frightened me. But I believe that Mr. Obama sincerely has the best wishes of all the American people at heart. Contrasted to Mitt Romney, who knows nothing except his own plutocratic class. And viewing various videos of him when it was at that fundraising event in Florida, it is clear that he has no comprehension, no understanding, no willingness to understand the issues, the problems faced by working class people. And and so I urge everybody to assert themselves and insert themselves into the political system and vote for Barack Obama. Let everyone know that working people are not dumb. We know how things are going in this country. We are most directly affected by it, and we will speak for ourselves. We will stand up for ourselves using this new technology. YouTube, which I'm using right now, Amazon.com, CreateSpace, Facebook, MySpace, all of that. And we will prevail. I have every confidence. Thank you.